Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Mexican-based World of Dolphins Inc., majority shareholder in Dolphin Cove Limited, is exploring a sale of its controlling stake in the Jamaican company. World of Dolphin Inc. owns 79.99% of shares in Dolphin Cove Limited, a marine attractions company operating 4 locations on the island's north coast: Ocho Rios, Moon Palace, Jamaica Grand, and Lucy. In February, Dolphin Cove revealed that Mexican company Dolphin Discovery, a parent of World of Dolphins, had begun insolvency and restructuring proceedings in Mexico's courts. However, Dolphin Cove pointed out then that it hadn't offered any guarantees or undertakings or pledged or encumbered any assets in relation to the obligation of any group, enterprise, or other party whatsoever. I quote, "Dolphin Cove's limited operations continue unaffected, and the company will maintain its independent operational status. The board will continue to monitor the situation and make further disclosures as required." End quote. The disclosure was placed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website. World of Dolphins purchased its controlling stake in Dolphin Cove in 2015. President of the private sector organization of Jamaica, PBCJ, Metri Siaga, has urged stakeholders in Jamaica's financial sector to rethink the rigid requirements imposed on entrepreneurs seeking access to financing. The Planning Institute of Jamaica reports that MSMEs contribute over 40% to Jamaica's gross domestic product. Siaga continued to note, "We account for over 34% of the total employed labor force, and we employ 90% of the private sector and over 80 billion in tax revenue to the government of Jamaica," he stated. Mr. Siaga was speaking at the PBCJ and Inter-American Development Bank Empower JA Forum held under the theme "The New Finance Frontier, Empowering SMEs with Tailored Capital Solutions" at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel on September 11. The PBCJ president said despite their significance, MSMEs continue to face a financing gap that is estimated to be hundreds of billions of Jamaican dollars. For the trading period ending September 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited shares of 22,291,459 units traded, representing 38.51% of market sales volume. Medical supplies distribution firm Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited ordinary shares with 8,119,589 units traded, representing 14.03% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 7,913,363 units traded, representing 13.67% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 18, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $68.86 million purchased and US $74.48 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned 97 cents per dollar, selling the US at $160.49 and buying the US at $159.52. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 64 cents per transaction, with selling at $116.30 and buying at $115.66. The British pound yielded Forex traders 49 cents in profits, with selling at $217.95 and buying at $217.46. For our credit report tip of the day, don't wait for a loan application to force you into managing credit. Build it every day with the 5 C's of credit. Character, act on trust, pay every vendor on time, follow through on promises, resolve issues fast. Capacity, control the numbers, review cash flow weekly, update financials monthly, cut costs that don't produce revenue. Capital, invest in yourself, reinvest profits, keep business money separate, grow your emergency fund. Collateral, strengthen your leverage, maintain and insure assets, keep valuations current and document ownership. Conditions, stay ready. Track market changes, adjust pricing quickly, diversify income to reduce risk. Take these actions daily and you'll be loan ready before you even apply. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you're a professional woman over the age of 45, moving from financial recovery beyond financial resilience, picture this. You've got decades of experience, but the moment comes to pitch for more and your voice stalls. Instead of letting fear win, grab a partner, step into role play, and practice the words out loud until confidence kicks in. For professional women over the age of 45, this single exercise can shift you from stuck and silent to strong and successful. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.